This video presents how to perform the initial setup of maintenance invoicing. The initial setup will be automatically run after installation, but if you decide not to do it right after the installation, you can run it from the Extension Management, Assisted Setup or Dynaway Assisted Setup. Select three dots on the Dynaway Maintenance Invoicing extension line and select Setup. If you haven't completed the Dynaway EAM setup before installing maintenance invoicing, you won't be able to start the maintenance invoicing setup. The Dynaway Assisted Setup page, with initial setups for our extensions, can be opened from the Dynaway EAM license information page. On the first page, you can see two sections. Welcome to Dynaway Maintenance Invoicing with a link to the documentation and setup walkthrough with a link to this very video you're watching. On the second page are links to the maintenance invoicing setup and to the article about maintenance invoicing on Dynaway Help. After selecting Setup Maintenance Invoicing, the modal will open with the Maintenance Invoicing Setup page. Here you can specify what will be invoiced to which sales account number. If you won't specify a number, then every member of the selected type will be posted to the chosen sales account number. After setting up your data, select Close to go back to the Setup wizard. After closing the Maintenance Invoicing Setup modal, you can go to the final page, where you will find three links. The first one will lead you to Dynaway Help, which contains documentation about our Business Central products. The second one will take you to a video library with short guides like this one, and more in-depth webinars. The last one will take you to our newsletter, so you will stay updated with everything that we are doing.